In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TradingView and integrate seamlessly with your Black Bull Markets account to efficiently set stop loss and take profit orders. This guide will take you step by step through the process of placing a trade and managing risk effectively with these critical tools. First things first, you'll want to log on to the TradingView website. TradingView is renowned for its powerful charting tools and wide community, making it perfect for both new and seasoned traders. Once you're on the site, ensure you're connected to your Black Bull Markets account. This connection is vital, as it allows you to place orders directly through TradingView using your brokerage account, streamlining your trading activities into one cohesive platform. Once you've confirmed the connection between TradingView and Black Bull Markets, it's time to focus on placing your order. Begin by opening the order window. This is your command center where you'll enter all the essential details about your trade. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already, as this will make your trading experience more intuitive and efficient. Now that you have the order window open, you need to input your order specifics. This includes selecting the instrument you wish to trade, the order type, and the amount. Be precise with these details, as accuracy is crucial in trading to reflect market conditions and trading strategy appropriately. After entering these details, you'll want to manage your risk by setting a stop loss and take profit level. On the order form, you'll find checkboxes for stop loss and take profit. Check these boxes and then carefully enter the desired levels. Here, you have the flexibility to express these levels in terms of pips, price, USD, or percentage. This versatility allows you to align your stop loss and take profit with your risk management strategy, whether you're defining them based on technical levels on your chart or risk to reward ratio. But what if you decide to set a stop loss and take profit after you've already opened a position? Fortunately, TradingView makes this adjustment straightforward. Navigate to the Positions tab where you'll see all your open trades listed. Find the specific order you'd like to modify and click on the edit icon associated with that order. Just like when placing a new order, click the stop loss and take profit checkboxes within this edit window. Input your desired levels again as either pips, price, USD, or percentage. This feature allows you to keep your trading strategies dynamic and responsive to changes in market conditions. Whether you're working from a desktop setup or a mobile device, these tools ensure your trading is robust and adaptable. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to manage your trades on TradingView while connected to your Black Bull Markets account. Whether you're setting up your orders when opening a trade or modifying them afterward, this process ensures your trading strategy remains robust and efficient. Happy trading, and always remember to manage your risk effectively.